everyone, this is Selena.
This is Hallie.
We are close friends, global 친구.
Today we will be talking about fruits in Korean that have the same pronunciation as in English,
but with Korean accent.
So we'll be teaching you how to say them in the Korean way. The Korean word for fruit is
과일, 과일, 과일.
Okay, let's begin.
Yay!
Yay! So the first one, banana.
바나나, 바나나,
Banana.
바나나, 바나나.
Cherry.
체리, 체리.
Pineapple.
파인애플, 파인애플. It's the same.
Orange.
오렌지, 오렌지, 오렌지.
Lemon.
레몬, 레몬, 레몬.
Blueberry.
블루베리, 블루베리. 블루베리 얼마예요? How much is the blueberry? 블루베리 주세요. 블루베리 주세요. Can I have blueberry?
Blueberry.
블루베리. Okay?
Blueberry.
블루베리.
Kiwi.
키위. It's the same. 키위. 키위. 키위 주세요.
Mango.
망고. 망고.
Melon.
메론. 메론. 메론 주세요. 메론 주세요.
So melon is referring to like a rock melon.
Yeah, rock melon. Melon.
Melon. And lastly, tomato.
That's easy. 토마토. 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 토마토 주세요. 토마토 얼마예요?
There are so many fruits that sound exactly the same or almost exactly the same in English as in Korean. So if you're not sure, just try saying it with a Korean accent.
Yeah.
You never know. Maybe high chance that you will be correct.
Yeah. And they just add 주세요 is can I have? And 얼마예요 is how much? 오렌지 얼마예요?
How much are the oranges?
Yeah. Same. 오렌지.
Nice and easy.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you. Bye.